Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device using your screen lock pattern. So in such case, the first thing you should do is try and input the pattern that worked for you the last time, and if you can't get it, then let's try to do the same thing in the safe mode, just so we can make sure that no third-party applications affect the screen lock and that the phone isn't lagging. Hold down the power key and volume up button, and then slide to restart. Then wait until the phone restarts and the OPPO logo appears on your screen. Only when it appears, press and hold the volume down key. If you hold it down earlier than that, you will end up in the recovery mode, and in the recovery mode, if you want to get out of there, simply select English language, then select restart, and then retry again. Okay, let's wait until the device boots up. Okay, and right now we are in a safe mode, as it indicates in the bottom left corner of the screen. And right now you can try and use the pattern again, and if it works this time, then in such case go to settings, select security and privacy, go to device unlock, screen lock, draw your screen lock again, and select turn off password, disable. Okay, and right now when you hold down the volume up key and the power button, volume up and power button, and select restart, your phone will reboot into normal mode, and you'll be able to use it again. Now, if you couldn't access your device in the safe mode and you can't remember the right screen lock pattern, then the best decision in such situation would be to contact OPPO customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your phone to them, they will most likely help you solve the problem. Now, if this option isn't for you either, then you should perform factory reset operation. It will erase all data from your phone, but it will surely let you regain access to it once the device is fully reset. Now, if you want to perform it remotely, you should make sure that the Google account is connected to your device. And if it is, and if you didn't disable Find My Device feature, you can access Find Hub service using web browser on any of your other devices. Then in Find Hub by Google, log in using your Google account that is connected to this phone. Then once you do that, select this phone on the list and select Factory Reset. And after that, your phone will proceed to perform a factory reset, and once the phone is reset, you'll be able to set it up once again. Now, if you don't want to do this remotely, you can do everything locally using recovery mode. I briefly mentioned how to access recovery mode on this phone, but if you still have some questions, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step, how to perform factory reset on this phone using recovery mode. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So I thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.